And to make Ghana a question, am I hearing some drink on a pay?
Well, no, one and she any muna to my mammy at Sijibra. And my mammy told to my. And I went to one and Reshono, Phoebe, and to mess me another day. So, no, the day of Phoebe, another day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And no, the day of Phoebe, and another day. I want to.
Where is a wooding?
WW, we didn't say.
And saying,
Where a city.
Then they come with you. I want to say, I don't know.
No, putting the power. I said some people take a lot of things for granted. I see you for a month. Very disrespectful. Oh, baby, too for money passes. Say, where you no. Won't try if you can say that. I don't try and fear that. You cannot respond to people like that. You can't. And what do you take me for? No, me say one and some crowd. I don't be say what they be.
That's not me. Man can bonnet.
Any bonnet show. Why you offer to some continue to be the problem which I have with you? The coin offer to some continue to be the problem I have with you. Please stop that. You need to pay your friend. Man can bonnet. I'm deciding. As a maker. No, I'm deciding him. There be an official bet you need penny my from. Obi busa wasem. Who took 4 months are now and we are free.
I'm say man can you.
And tomorrow who GTP to welcome say you within. Who must say who took phones as it say. Please stop it. I mean pass I know. Your boss here be some man me ntimi som and no about watching till me mobi. You wait my catch me ni.
Watching e boy den pa o sha.
I read you can see make catch no.
And then the first time I me boy na from.
Oh, yeah, school fees is the problem behind you. Man can ye. Oh, Raddy. Maybe I'm trying to chill. Massima make and then the here me munkofa. One have been was anti team number. There seemed to be a lot of frustration in the system. It's not peculiar to by a system. I'm not peculiar. I share manabroso. Romo yeshi, baby yeshi. So yeah, my abemumu.
Yeah, befa.
Befa. But people are frustrated. Unam krana se obo ben kura keka. Obo ben keke go. Onipano. One who and some be catch one. What Unipanam now when him Diana, Utim say, Yamianim Ukraine or go through a lot of challenges. All of us will go through challenges.
And Rami, when I did be on social media. Now, me see my swatch, a high radio, so into the same can be who that right up.
Yeah.
Almost what's not true, Mark. I say, Nanado, dear, Diacano, and Crawford
Nanado, dear.
Aye, into Rami far trotro to Taifa.
Yeah.
Now me see me swashe. Recording the crowd on my phone so. Just to me person me TD and Crawford can in the system.
And you now pay down.
And to me pay down me yes me tia usika na am say ahonia. The gaje boy say was first reveal am see rade na nando there. Afi be hwe ka no munyina.
Well, I can tell them say it is so munya abutre. Ghana for no yenyina ye de egidie akɔhye political party and politicians no neglecting a certain responsibility we have no. I continue to have a challenge. I bear one a challenge. For instance, Ayowa for pictures to omo no odomo. I bear one a challenge. If we also don't contribute by solving those problems, I answer one picture we be there dance here say Ghana for ye cassette too much because then me catch last year Christmas no me catch say in the minds of me no me who Christmas be Ghana for it me I think it as a Christmas we there it's not true. Ocean Kruma documentary I'm going na the complaints that we had as citizens as of that time
in the 60s
we are still having those complaints, so we have a problem as a country.
Nothing has changed.
Quite ungrateful and we are too much of a hypocritical. It be misre.
Politics so.
No, but politics no. You're yet to help countries and individuals and
right?
Yeah.
And I think I agreed with you. say as a country we've come to a point say in election after election we need to come together and build.
Asante meaning
say a true election period and we can do our politics.
Meaning ekura ye to abawia. Ye to abawia na the next election I say. We don't look at the next development.
That is Ghana for you.
So but it is not a question of if we continue to say that is Ghana for us, it will continue to be same, but we need to change it.
Yes, but
if we don't change it and we continue to do it, that is Ghana for you, that is Ghana for you. Then we are not looking for any change in this country.
So they're changing how?
We have to start. It's just now.
So how do we start it?
I'm saying we are in the media.
Exactly.
We sit here for politicians to come and lie their way out. 2, we have technocrats who are really authorities in this country. Mama would also form as consultants, but we are not using them because they will be tagged and they fear. Until we change Yankasa as journalists, their mentality, to prepare this country for a discourse, because unfortunately, Nanado dear, no be as oh, Nanado dear, Nanado dear, but we've missed out so many things. There are a lot of things that conclusion Nanado dear, no, that's not the issue. Now during the administration what challenges every day, we keep talking about it. But one kasa as an individual, as a Ghanaian, no, as a customs officer, nama, and the invoice in the chrono bono. Some of them no. One kasa as an individual, no, or don't river in the Kolea, see the Biatima, only a one and they be a dano. Mudi Ura egu calling him no. I don't know, and another one, John Draman.
Okay, picture now,
yes,
yeah.
It's painful. We lament. We do the old things. We don't want to shift, but we want to get new results. One person who wrote a DVL na. Yeah, bomodina say. Yeah, baby, bia kama. Yetimi transform. What does your guru boy na? Oji amang fosi kebu no. One person out in social media. Osi ene GR4 for nipa. Almost for 30,000 for 2,000. Osi for one a scam. One Kasano, so what role are you playing? You want to be lawless.
From the Guru Boys, how can?
Yeah.
Adena other countries, almost politics. But only Guru Boys. But
we are fighting the mindset. We have a status quo that has been there with us for long.
Yes.
And it takes whoever is appointed or elected to any office of influence, and the Ghanaian to it has been with us from time immemorial. Yes. Team no so no. And every day your team na menu side in and then we are complaining. Oh, they said don't go boa keke. Engineers don't go boa keke. And then once them come and draw. This is a co-founder point time. At Professor Mills' time. So these are some of the conversations we need to be having. The things that we see will repeat itself in Sutobrewe. Amayaka say Yaminadema, and an admo for Nadia, and an admo cry coin among, and an admo the blanket in Quanabre, and it will be a sidine, it will be a shoot at Tenefa. Obi two ragu, baby, a idea in each year. Obi said, Jabu, baby, M. Brave is to bring. But we're all looking on carelessly. In fact, and no, Mikayaka said the assemblies are not really up to the task. Majority of our assemblies, they are not working. It's Ghana and your problem, Yankasa, we know. We know, but we still don't want to attend to that problem because we continue to be beneficiaries of that problem. Yes, that's what I'm saying. We continue to be beneficiaries of that problem.
We benefit from the road.
Yes, because Obi a old trotro driver, what out trotro in my Yankasa and another day, and was like Uko Jones say Uko booby. Mindset out there, so no panel say Uko Nyan say Uko booby. I didn't show team in our say Odi Kojazo booby. We don't need to point fingers. The government of the day has a responsibility. Road construction, hospitals, whatever education system. Bibia kama. In his quest of Bibia kama no, who as a citizen no, again I was way. We are too dishonest. We've been ate up by this politics of whatever. You know what I will show you?
Ejuma
nkasa o wa. Ejuma ndina make us say Omanhene no. Esan say ye dey ehun akoto political parties so. Any politicians, nobody wants to take up a responsibility. Nobody wants to be held responsible. Nobody wants to contribute towards the Ghana that we all want to see. Obia pesa Ghana. You saw you say Dubai, Germany, London, America. But what are the sacrifices being made from the top to the down? Because the Obashemino can the phone and Casa or no say you tighten your belt, no. Not can the phone and Casa Crano, the belt will lose every day.
My men can't say maybe since Safwa or share on Facebook.
Yeah.
Or no, not drink chair and say, Enka lagoons in a young fancy. Young Jehon.
Oh, no,
I'm saying, say,
yeah.
In run way good lagoon, and free abontin the Begumo.
WWCJ, I'm
saying, free, a year, and sure you free, baby, and free Madina Hana to I'm a here. Quality.
No, okay, we try the ice cream.
Now, but Bancroft's around or Mutunu Amagum.
Of course.
Yeah,
that's why I'm saying that.
But most of about 80% of selfing, if we got
that
them,
is why I continue to say that even wiring system crack it. Uko Joma Hodona. Ode actually wiring system. Ejato mani afeni yebeso. But we know.
The last time
ministries some of the buildings
we know. Na ekura ofa N1 isua. Yeah, flyover so say whatever say nipa fast for say foot bridges.
Yeah, foot bridges.
But nobody is using it. It can't bona esi nyame na de ba na attacking driver. This is the country we have been living in all this while. If you want to change the status quo, and you say we are brutal with a certain speed and force. Yes, idea. You bet not na complaints we who say you born an adwa. You born your mama and no does not solve the problems we have as a country. They see Aisha. So kaso oko hospital. Bed oko peso adano. Is it MPP or NDC? Bed in you. Bed oko pe adano. Is it MPP NDC? How do we solve that problem? Onipa na nkasa credit na course on cover juma na mind na. Na jino dia konyina no is just to make money out of the system. There's a problem. There's a problem. But Ghana should brace itself up because we are seeing a brace your more up for tough times. That is why the government of the day needs to be very assuring and to cut a lot of things down. Because baby yakope busi yakope mwefiri kwano ejada baby ya iti yankasi anshasi yankuse ya banchia. We have a lot of problems. Our dependency on other countries for support and help abroso. By this time, this country, Ghana, should have been strong enough. Asian and now should be 85-90% on its own. Now, they say, baby, I'm there. Yeah, we are crowd from. We are running now. Don't go and point to any political party. Don't go and point to any politician, even though leaders detect the pace. Leaders bring out where we are headed. But our contribution to Omudiano and Aka, they are not talking because almost how vulnerable we are. So they are taking advantage of our vulnerability. Because it's all 40 feet container for 40K. Now Banda say in a week's time 92K. The system is jammed. It's jammed.
Omanhene,
so
question about the future Omanhene, you have said it all.
So painful.
We don't want to take responsibility of our own, but always putting our burdens on the government. Charity, they say, begins at home. Delphina Mwakwa on Facebook.
Obo no otiso kra no obo la kra keke kra no we kwa wo fa so teach boy wa kra ya create dustbin si ho say brana fa obo la no be gum kra no o hwe left o hwe yan kwa na di ball gu dustbin
Abena Kantamanto or say the mindset of the Ghanaian is the reason why we always blame our leaders.
No, Maya, that's so crap.
Do we really, as Ghanaians, love our country? My best question.
The patriotism is not there. Oh, Maya, that's so crap.
Abena Kantamanto.
Oh, Maya, that's so crap. And the mamuasi. Who saw what's your foot? What's your ugbe? None of the one man could jump at the first grade.
Kwabena Uko jam na uto den.
Me to amuasi na me. E go zuti mi pa mo. Papa pa yimu na tia da was uto de. I see you. I see you.
We so Omanhene open huna do.
Ya be bia. I see you. Mr. You know. Madaro, the sad side of life, no, Mr. Jekum Nyame Adoma.
Weekend,
I can say Ebuakwa, Esue Ebuakwa, Kumasi Ebuakwa. Momenko Tai, me former boss, nachi we no koka say your boss no America about for them judge we dey koka e meta
so wo kona say me gimakonya me American say me boss wo ha dey American say me boss so obeko ana only na have to 10:30
me kwa mo bi aba kan e wo pe kire ena mo bi su no bi ayeye onipania ena wa yeye nti mi just